Stop for a moment. Before you scroll away, listen to this. If you want to improve your English, your confidence and your mindset, subscribe now to JA Info Urdu. This story is simple, but its message is deep, and it may change how you see your own life. This topic matters because many people feel tired inside. You work hard, you study, you try your best, but still, you feel stuck. Sometimes the problem is not your effort. Sometimes you just need a new view. Once I went on a trip. It was not a luxury trip. No expensive hotels, no perfect plans, just a small bag, a long road, and a heavy heart. At that time, my mind was full of questions. Why am I behind others? Why is life not moving forward? I felt pressure every day, pressure to succeed, pressure to prove myself. So I decided to travel. On the first day, nothing felt easy. The road was rough. The bus was slow. I felt tired and uncomfortable. For a moment, I wanted to go back. I wanted comfort again. But something inside me said, keep going. As the journey continued, I met different people, simple people, hard-working people. One man sold tea on the roadside. His clothes were old, his smile was real. I asked him, aren't you tired of this life? He smiled and said, life is heavy only when you stop being thankful. That line stayed with me. During the trip, my phone battery died. No internet, no messages. At first I felt lost, then I felt free. For the first time in a long time, there was silence. In that silence, I heard my own thoughts. I realized how much noise I had in my life. Always comparing, always rushing, always worrying. That trip slowly started teaching me lessons. The first lesson was patience. When the road is long, you learn to wait. When the journey is slow, you learn to breathe. The second lesson was gratitude. I noticed small things. A cup of tea. A cool breeze. I realized I had ignored these things before. The third lesson was courage. Travel is not easy. Life is not easy. But when you keep moving, fear becomes smaller. Each day of the trip changed me a little. I woke up early. I walked more. I thought less about the past. I stopped asking, why me? And started asking, what can I learn? This is where the real change began. Let me share the lessons with you now. First, belief. You must believe that your life has value. You are not late. You are not weak. You are just on your own journey. Second, action. You do not need big moves. You need small steps. One step today. One step tomorrow. Movement creates clarity. Third, discipline. Do the right thing even when you feel tired, even when no one is watching. Discipline builds confidence. That trip did not remove my problems, but it changed how I faced them. I learned that problems are part of growth, not a sign to quit. Now ask yourself, when was the last time you did something for yourself? When was the last time you moved without fear? When was the last time you listened to your own heart? Many people wait for motivation. But motivation comes after action. Do not wait to feel ready. Start, and readiness will come. Toward the end of the trip, I stood on a quiet road. The sun was setting. I felt calm. I understood something important. Life does not change in one day, but direction can change in one moment. That moment changed me. I went back home. Same house, same responsibilities. But my mindset was new. I was stronger inside. I stopped comparing my chapter 1 with someone else's chapter 10. I focused on my own page. And you can do the same. You do not need to travel far. You need to move forward, even if it is slow, even if it is hard. Keep moving. Now feel this moment. You are not stuck. You are becoming. Your struggle is shaping you. Your effort is not wasted. If one simple trip can change a mindset, imagine what daily effort can do for your future. If this story touched you, keep listening. Keep learning English through stories. Subscribe to JA Info Urdu for more English listening stories that build your confidence and your mindset. And remember this final line. Sometimes, one small journey outside changes the entire journey inside.